In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce or compress a PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first, I'm going to show you the PDF file which I'm going to compress. So here I have a file under downloads folder, and this is a list folder of my current basically. And it has 225.5 megabyte of size. So I'll show you how you can decrease the size or reduce the size or compress this file very easily. So at first I need to open Adobe Acrobat. So I'm going to click this spotlight search and I'm going to search Adobe, and here I see Adobe Acrobat is there. I just open this thing, so the Adobe application will be open. Now what we need to do, we need to click file and then we have to come this thing, compress as PDF. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will open like this window. So here there is on button is there, add file, but this is very difficult, I will say. Another easiest way is just open the location where the file is there. Now you need to drag and drop it here. So I'm going to click here and drop it over this white box, and very shortly you will see it is added over there, and it has the size 215 megabyte. And to compress it, we just need to press the OK button. I'm going to press the OK button and very shortly it will open this thing. Reduce file size, make compatible with this thing. So there is different versions, so the retain existing is fine for me. I'm going to choose that option and then I'm going to press the OK button. Once I press the OK button, it will give us this option. Now I'm going to configure this output option. At first I need to choose the location where it will be saved. I'm going to choose the same location, that is fine. Then file name, I'm not going to keep this file name as usual, so I'm going to choose this option, add an original file names, insert before or insert after. I can type, so this is the original file name, and then after that I can type SM, that means a small size like that. And overwrite existing file, I'm not going to overwrite, I'm going to uncheck this thing. And finally I'm going to press the OK button. Once I press the OK button, Adobe Acrobat will start compressing this file. It will take some time and very shortly it will be saved. I mean, it will be compressed. Now let's check the location where it is actually compressed. And here I see, so this is the list, and here this is the list SM. I can rename this thing like list SM, that means small size. And check the version like size. So the original list, it has 225 megabyte of space, and after the compression or after reducing the size by using Adobe, basically we are getting 1.7 and the quality is very good. I'm not going to open the file because it has some personal information, that's why I'm not going to show you those things, but the quality is really very beautiful and it's very optimized. In this way we can easily reduce or compress PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat, very easy and quick way.